Ayan, good morning everyone. Medyo kabado ang morning ng mga tao na nasa loob ng ISM but still definitely good. We're gonna have a little refresher today on ISM kasi ang dami pa rin natataranta. I understand that kahapon sa chatroom nagkagulo because of ISM going down. Yan, a little refresher lang today because I want everyone to calm down. As always, 'di ba? Expected naman natin. We don't really know where the market is going. Yan yung sinasabi ko. It can go up or it can go down. The important thing is, if you're already in it, you are prepared for the possibilities. Kung babagsak, alam mo strategy mo, do you have to cut loss or not? Ang mga tao, hindi alam ang gagawin. So, we're gonna have a little refresher today. Also, what caused the scare yesterday, we're gonna be discussing about that. People are saying si Mislatel mag-IPO daw, ganito, ganyan. Yes, that's a possibility. It's because it's one of their requirements. But what are the repercussions of Mislatel going into IPO? Kesa daw mga tao, pupunta ako sa Mislatel na lang, antayin ko ang Mislatel, kaya bumabagsak sila. ISM, sila CLC. Si CLC yung makit naman kahapon. But yun, nagkaipitan na naman. We'll talk more about that in a while. So, that will be our discussion for today. If you're watching the replay of this video, please move forward to around 25 minutes. And 25 minutes because that's around 8:40 here in the morning. That is where we are going to start our discussion for today. And a little of my recommendations today. The market is looking very well. We are now at 7,300. Somehow I was expecting that breakout, but I was really waiting for the breakout to happen, and there it is. We are now at 7,300. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy to 7,500. If that happens, we are looking at a reversal, and yon, look for your retracements at maghanap na kayo ng mga stocks na bibilhin ninyo, especially blue chips. Hindi lang puro trading, please. So, wag puro ganyan. Alright, we'll talk more about the PSEI in a while. Also, some of my picks today, and most especially, mga comments ninyo, mga requests ninyo for charting. Definitely, we're gonna be talking about that. I hope everything is okay. Let me just double check if okay lang bang audio na naman. Alright, so far so good. I'll go to the comments now, comment section. Before I go do that, request ko to everyone who's here. I hope I have earned this. I'm asking for your support. Please share the video. Paki-share po sa wall ninyo and your trading groups if you have any. Yan, para po matulungan niyo na may Financial Freedom 101 for its goal to really educate, check out newbies, ma-educate at matulungan natin ng mga newbies sa stock market at mag-guide natin mga ayos, right? And one way to do that is to share the video, right? And if you want to show your support also to the Financial Freedom 101, gusto niyo supportahan ang channel para mas lumakas palalo, you can always do super chat. May dollar button dyan sa chat room natin katabi ng smiley, right? If you want to support and give me a tip, whatever you want, how much you want, it will be greatly appreciated. Malaking tulong na yan para mapatuloy natin yung program na ito. Because this program is entirely free, right? Yun. Hirap talaga magsalita ng tuloy-tuloy. Let's start. Right. I'm gonna go to the chat. Joel Ligares, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, good morning, then. Hops, good morning, Sir Lloyd. 34 days before Christmas. Anyway, I can't think of any logical reason bakit bibebenta ang ISM. Hope you can enlighten us po. We'll talk more about that. Rodrigo Carlos, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Mark Joshua Ronquillo, good morning. Aran Q, good morning, Sir Lloyd from Dubai. APX po. We'll write down APX. All right. Sulat ko ha, si APX. Right. Maganda itong mga stocks na ito eh. APX, right. We'll talk about that. Addison C, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. It's a rainy morning. Yes, wala pa rin pasok dito sa Cebu kasi bagyo pa rin. Right. It's still raining. Kahapon, nagpunta ako ng Lapu-Lapu. Naulanan. Nagmotorsiklo lang ako. Right. Addison C, good morning. John Garcia, good morning. Bernstone TV Gaming. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shout out po to Bernstone TV Gaming. Alright. Subscribe to his channel if he has gaming. He has a gaming channel. Argel Mendoza, morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, sana tumaas si ISM ngayon. Right. Hopefully it does. But hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Me, especially, I'm an investor into ISM. Right. Not really, hindi ko naman binibenta ang position ko. I'm just holding on to it kasi hindi ko naman siya tinetrade. Right? Especially na nagiging busy ako lately in the afternoon. So, don't have any reason to trade it. Relax lang, right? Short-term gratification, kalaban nyo yan sa stock market. But I'm in it for the longer term. So, it's up to you if you want to sell or not. Me, I'm holding on. Sana umakyat, right? Sana umakyat naman. Pero if it goes down, then that will be good kasi nag-iipon na ako ng pera na naman ulit ngayon para bumili ng more, right? It's really about the volume. It's not about what you're earning right now, right? If you're a trader, yes, you are concerned of the short-term movement about it. But for me, so far, I am looking at the future, right? So, yun, I'm not selling my positions yet. Tyron Javier, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ano po magandang strategy kay ISM? Nasa 8.30 po average ko. Thanks, sir. We'll talk about that, Tyron. Boy, sweet potato kasi ang daming, ang daming position, ang daming situation. Iba-iba kasi situation natin. Ako, relax lang ako kasi nasa baba ako naka-position. And I'm an investor. Number 2, isang situation is yung mga tao na nakapasok sa taas, right? Another situation is yung mga tao na hindi pa nakapasok. Another situation is yung mga naka-all-in na tas nasa taas naka-all-in. We'll talk more about these situations later. Right? Boy Sweet Potato, good morning, intense. Discord natin kahapon ha. Any thoughts sa mga recent na ganap? So yes, if you haven't joined the chat room yet, what Boy Sweet Potato is talking about is this chat room right here. This is our Discord group. This is where free. You can join the chat room. Meron ditong room. This one is the room for the newbies. The Traders Lounge, dito yung mga season na, matitibay na sa trading. Dito, nagkagulo kahapon, emotions were running high. Yeah, that's normal for for newbies talaga. So, we have to understand them. If you haven't joined the chat room yet, just download Discord and then down at the video description, may Discord group dyan na invitation link. Once ma-download mo ang Discord, just click on the link and then automatically makakapasok ka na sa Discord group natin. It's a very good chat room. Minsan nagkakagulo pag nagkakapanik. So it's really hard to maintain a healthy chat room, but this is we're doing our best to help everyone naman, 'di ba? Iba-iba lang yung paraan ng pagtulong ng ibang tao, but overall tumutulong yung mga yan. Uy, may nag-super chat. Thank you so much, Tristan Porcadas, thank you so much. Let's get rich together. Walang takutan. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you so much. That is greatly appreciated. Malaking tulong yan sa channel natin. Right? Next is Jeffren Dominguez. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shout out ni Sheila na akong gwapa na asawa. Uy, yan, sweet ha. Shout out to Sheila Dominguez from your loving husband, Jeffren Dominguez. Michael Ecaldre. And Ecaldre, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and to everyone watching your channel. Sir, ano po ang inyong maipapayo sa mga ISM holder na pumasok sa 7 to 8.6 at may posibilidad ba na mag-down ang average price? We'll talk more about that. That's one of the situation, especially, yan, iba-iba tayo sa situation, kaya iba-iba yung mga level intensity of emotion sa atin. Right, so we'll talk more about that. Folaika, good morning, Sir Lloyd from Taiwan. Magandang umaga sa inyo dyan. Gado Ravago, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And to all daily grinders, JFC po, Coach. We'll talk about JFC. Uy, si JFC. Ang ganda ni JFC ngayon eh. Alright. Burn Store TV, gusto nyo po ba i-improve yung looks ng chat niyo, Sir? Side? Check nyo po yung Septapus. Yeah. I'm gonna look into that. Thank you so much for that, Burnstar TV Gaming. Yan, yung mga gamer na streamer talaga, yun yung mga magagaling mag-stream. They know how to set this up. So yeah, I'll be looking into that. I-improve ko yung chat room na yung nakikita ninyo sa side mamaya. Right. Noel Taranco, thank you so much, Burnstar. Right. Noel Taranco, good morning, Coach. Paki-greet po ang daughter ko na si Alexandra. Hi, Alexandra. Pakisuyo na rin po ng MPI and MRC. MPI is looking good. And MRC. Right. Sa mga nagtatanong anong mga recommendations ko today, I have a few recommendations. These are the good stocks that I am seeing. Si Tugs DMW, linagay ko sa chat room. Tugs DMW, GSMI, ION, STR, and VLL. We'll talk about them in a while. Alright. Good morning from Nerissa McRickard. Good morning, Sir Lloyd from VA Australia. Right. Good morning sa inyo. Right. Nasa na tayo? Tristan Porcadas. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Sabi ni Attorney Tamano, gagamit sila ng ibang pangalan para sa third telco. Kapag mangyari po yun, kailangan nila magpalista ng panibagong name sa PSE or Udena ISM pa din po ang gamit nila. Ang sinasabi nga nila is, ang gagamitin nilang pangalan is baka si Mislatel. No, not Mislatel. Chinatel di ba? Tristan, good morning. Kapag nangyari po ba yon, kailangan nila magpalista ng panibagong name sa PSE or Udena ISM pa din po ang gamit. Doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't really matter as long as yung may-ari ng franchise magiging makapag-IPO din, which is Mislatel, right? Yun yung kasi yung franchise owner, 'di ba? Yun lang yung loophole nila. Dapat isa is si Mislatel meron daw IPO. So they're gonna be most probably be doing that. With regards sa name, it doesn't matter kung anong name ang gagamitin nila. Walang problema yan. They don't have to put it in the PSE, right? Kung ano man yung kumpanyang papangalanan nila, right? Excuse me, sorry about that. Naulanan kasi ako kagabi. Anyways, yeah, they don't have to write it down sa another IPO, right? Hindi naman yan requirement. Udena pa rin. Yeah, Udena and CLC pa rin ang hahawak ng malaki of the consortium. We'll talk more about that in a while. Eduardo Arcoy, good morning, Sir Lloyd. APX po. APX is already written down. Pag-usapan natin yan. Good morning. What are your insights on MEG and SSI? Si SSI and MEG, kamustahin natin. Right, this is from Monet Lagman. Right, Dave Guapo Dadis, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, everyone. And to my wife, good thanks and God bless po. You're welcome. Alan, Derek, Gusuniga, umagang kay ganda. Marlon, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Santa Rosa. Good morning sa inyo dyan, mga traders ng Santa Rosa. Marco Barin, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Thanks to through the grace of God, we can be together again for a good trading day. Thanks for all the insights and endless knowledge. More power, sir. Thank you din so much for the support, Marco. Lisa, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, gusto po ng anak ko na 1 year and 4 months yung tugtog nyo. Sumasayaw tuwing naririnig niya. Pabati naman po sa kanya. Primo, yung name niya yan. Good morning, Primo, na sumasayaw sa tugtog ng The Daily Grind. Right, Nerd Peck, good day. Sir, good day. Paano po sumali sa group chat nyo? Just download Discord. Yan, search nyo ng Google and go search for Discord, DISCORD. Then space download, and then you're gonna be directly may lalabas na result dyan on how to download Discord group, the Discord chat room, and then look for pag na-download mo na, go to the video, right, and then go to the description ng video. Meron naman yung description lahat ng mga videos ko. May Discord group dyan nakasulat, and there's a link there. Just click on the link and automatically makakapasok na kayo. Right, Alvin Robanes, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nag-selling panic ba kahapon? Yes, somehow I call it panic selling, pero nagsusustain naman siya. At least hindi naman bumagsak talaga ng malalim. That means that the demand is still there. Malaki ang volume, hindi naman siya bumagsak, bumagsak talaga. So, it's a mix of selling and buying pa rin. Marami pa rin ang bumibili. Right? Kahit maraming nag-sell, nagsusustain siya ng support. So, that's a good sign. Erwin Asedilio, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Davao. Tristan Porcadas, good morning, sir. And sa iyong anak, si Laika, let's get rich together. Thank you so much. Raquel Pimentel, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and everyone watching this channel. Hyper Frost, ayan, hyper to si Frost. Right. Good morning, sir, and any insights po kay Tugs? May disclose sila na nag-buyback. Don't worry about buybacks. It doesn't really matter that much. If we really wanna take it into consideration, maganda pa yung mga buybacks, 'di ba? Kasi pag nagba-buyback, liliitin supply out there, and if there is lesser supply, and then mas tataas ang presyo, di ba? Because of the law of supply and demand. Rick Romero, maing buntag, Sir Lloyd, ug sa tanan. Hindi po, hi din po sa Idol by Oscar. Yan, good morning sa inyong dalawa, Rick and Oscar. I'm Emilu Bahoy, good morning, Sir Lloyd, from Australia. Ryan Concepcion, good morning po. Sir Lloyd, napanaginipan ko po kayo kagabi, pero di ko na ma-recall ang scenario. And instead po itags, ako yung dream boy mo ha. Ryan Concepcion, right? Grabe naman pag napanaginipan mo ko. Right, anyways, let's talk about tags. Isa yan sa mga recommendations ko today. And bibilisan ko lang itong pagbasa. No, sorry if mabilis ako magbasa ngayon. I really want to max out reading all the comments before mag 8:40. Rants Manalo, anong take mo sa ICT and LTG, sir? LTG, after I've been recommending it last month ba yun? Or 2 months ago? Paakit si LTG. It's been unstoppable. Slowly but surely si LTG. Pero tingnan natin kung maganda pa bang pasukin ngayon. Ngayon, hindi ko ma-recommend si LTG kasi hindi ko nakikita yung pullback niya. Right, let's talk about ICT also. Right, Ralph GVR, morning Sir Lloyd, magandang i-discuss natin yung mga late pumasok ng ISM, especially above 8, nagiging emotional na kasi sila. Yes, those are one of the scenarios we're gonna be talking about. I-review natin yan, ano strategy natin dyan. Ralph, makalipong. Good morning sir, makalipong. Right, Masty Knox, if ever hindi nyo alam magbisaya, makalipong is what do you call this? Hindi naman nakakaduling, ano ba yan? Nakakahilo. Yan, makalipong. Right. Masty Knox, good morning. Sir Lloyd, Amancio, Akas, Maing Buntag. Michael Caldre, mag-price down ang ISM to 5 this month dahil lilipat yung iba kay CLC dahil yun ang bombombahin nila. Bakit? We don't really know. Yun lang yung sinasabi ng mga tao. I don't really want to say any prices because hindi naman tayo manghuhula dito. Ang galing naman na nakahula na magpa-price down yan ng 5 pesos, di ba? Bobombahin down nila sa CLC. Let them bomba CLC, right? Here's the thing. Let the market do what it wants to do. You can't really dictate the market. Kung bobombahin nila sa CLC, then you can ride the momentum if you want to, di ba? Marami naman pwedeng gawin dyan. If bumaba man to 5 si ISM, then I wanna buy more. That is my opportunity to buy more, 'di ba? I'm looking at the long term kasi, right? Iba kasi yung strategy natin. Right? Maraming strategy diyan, right? Madronero, good morning Sir Lloyd. Sir, meron po palang scare talaga sa IPO filing na Mislatel. It's very logical to do this IPO since Mislatel will not be used in bringing the telco. Yes, we're gonna be talking about that. Ang dami kasi natatakot. I've been receiving messages about it. Sir Lloyd, kung mag-IPO si Mislatel, lilipat lang ako kay Mislatel. Mas sure daw doon. We'll talk more about that. Yun yung topic natin. Nakabili pa ako sa ISM 8 pesos. Test buy, then buy again pag bumaba. Good job, Emilu, 'di ba? Yan yung lagi kong sinasabi. Test buy lang, 'di ba? Pampawala ng FOMO, tas pag bumagsak hindi ka kabado, 'di ba? You are prepared of whatever will happen to the stock, 'di ba? Yung sinasabi ko, maraming tao nagpapanik sa stock market. It's because they don't know what they're doing, right? If you know what you're doing, if you know you're an investor, then you know what you're doing. If bababa yan, matutuwa ka, hindi ka magpapanik, di ba? If you're a trader, if it goes down, you can always cut your losses. Hindi ka matataranta, right? So we're gonna be doing a little refresher right now kasi ang daming natataranta. And then again, pag natataranta ka, it means that you don't know what you're doing. So just be an investor if you don't know what you're doing. We'll talk more about that. Peter John Solis, good morning Sir Lloyd. Since there's uncertainty sa ISM, should we focus on CLC? It's up. Well, that's a very good point, Peter. Right, Peter. And thank you so much. Uy, si Nerissa McRickard. Thank you so much for the donation. Ang laking tulong po nito. Right, thank you so much for that. Right, Nerissa. Laki ng tulong nyo Alright, thank you so much for this. Shin Oliver, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning everyone, especially kay Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Ella Montefalco, good morning. Rom Mondronero, good morning sir. Rom, would be required by the law ma-push yung filing but they are already conglomerate with ISM, CLC, and China Telecom, diba sir? Would this change the standing about IPO issue? It's not really an issue but we'll still talk about it, explain natin. And then if you have any comments about it, if you know anything, if you think I am wrong, post it in the comments. Any comments, even negative, is welcome because we want this to be a healthy discussion, right? I am not really an expert about these things, especially sa law na yan. Right, so if you know anything, please share it to everyone para ma-discuss natin. Sir Lloyd, can you further discuss po kay STR na pinost mo sa Discord kagabi? Yes, si STR nag-hold yung support kaya ko ni-recommend si STR. Right? Pag hopefully this sustains, maganda magbudey ka ngayon kay STR, especially sa mga position traders. Kim Anatalio, good morning Sir Lloyd, God bless po. Or po, we'll talk about that. Kay Or, right, sulat ko si Or. Yun, Or. Yun. Albert Kasing, Sir Lloyd, 7,300 po ang index. Magbo-bull trend na signal na ba siya? Antayin natin umabot ng 7.5, then we are already safe. It's safe to say that we are on a bullish market already. We will just wait for that confirmation of a higher low na retracement to really say na bullish na talaga siya, right? May signal siya na bullish pag umabot siya ng 7.5, right? Amy Lou Bahoy, sir, SMPH parang good to buy na. Based on tech niya, magpapasko. So, lalabas na naman SM at BDO. Yes, tamang-tama, right? SMPH, I've been recommending that last week. Maganda na yung support ni SMPH. And ayun, lumilipad na si SMPH. RJ Abra, Kosa, good morning. Eugene Magramo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nalugi ako kahapon kay ISMHF. Na-buy ko siya sa price na 7.85. That's okay. Okay lang. Right? 7.85. Bull and Bear, good day, coach. Yan, good day. Ako rin kahapon di ba? Ako nag-call nung around 7.80. Nag-bounce siya in the morning and then umangkyat naman siya. Umabot ulit ng 8 pero hindi nag-sustain at bumaba. But that's okay kasi ang daming scare kahapon. Ang daming natakot ng mga tao. When there's panic selling. That's okay, right? Especially para sa akin kasi nag-aabang na naman ako kay ISM na mag-dip. Bull and Bear, good day, coach. Good day din. Eugene Magramo, I am a newbie po. Hello, welcome Eugene sa program natin. Boss, from Wins Badon, boss, di ba distribution na ng mga insti sa ISM kasi hindi na nag-break yung 8.62 na resistance? We can't really say, right? Pwede siya, possible yung mga insti na maglabas ng mga stocks nila kasi hindi siya nakapag-break ng resistance. But right now, we don't really know what will happen, right, as of the moment. Pwede siya mag-pull back. Kung maglabas man sila at mag-pull back, then that's good. It really doesn't matter. The market will, don't concern yourselves about this. The market will do what it wants to do. Kung trader kayo, dapat nakapagbenta na kayo doon sa taas, diba? So, bakit nyo pa antayin yung instinct na magbenta, diba? Dapat kayo nakapagbenta na kayo. Kung trader kayo, if you ever naman investor kayo, please be sure why you are in it. Are you in for investing? Kung investor naman kayo, kahit anong gawin ng mga instinct na yan, hindi kayo matatakot, diba? Kasi you know what you're doing. You know you can always buy. You are planning to buy more. We'll talk more about that. Bernadette Abiog, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning to my daughter Jasmine from Bernadette Abiog. Yan. Good morning sa inyong dalawa. Lady Yua, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Possible na po ba mag-IP ang bagong third telco kay konti lang pumasok kay ISM? Thanks po. That's what we're gonna be talking about today, Lady Yua. At nga pala guys, a little plug. Please join my seminar, right? I have a seminar this Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. If you really want to improve your trading, if you really want to improve your system, how to master your emotions, goal setting sa stock market, please join my workshop. Ang dami dito ngayon nanonood na students ko. They can attest to you na maganda ang workshop. It will be worth it so that you will know how to take advantage of this bullish stocks. Hindi yung pachamba-chamba lang kayo. Yes, minsan mananalo kayo. But the thing is, how do you repeat those wins, right? Dapat yun yung goal niyo. So please join my workshop. This will be very helpful for you, right? Napakaliit lang na investment and napakalaki po na itutulong nito sa inyo. So join the workshop. That's one way of helping the channel also, right? By investing in yourself, right? Again, Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. Fidel Ramos, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What will happen to ISM now? Console lang ba ito? Thanks. Can't really tell. Somehow it's consolidating. Gio Francisco, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Adelaida Balaag, blessed day, Sir Lloyd and family. Wala pong sound. Wala bang sound? I think meron naman. Please join my seminar, right? I have a... Tumutunog naman, right? Jackie, sige, lakasan ko lang yung microphone just to be sure. Good morning from Singapore. What do you call this? BMO, good morning sa lahat. Kape tayo. It's 4:23 here in Dubai. Yan, mga kapatid nating OFWs sa Dubai, especially BMO. Yan, ang aga-aga nilang gumising just to join the daily grind and to trade the market, right? So that saludo ako sa inyo. Grabe yung sacrifice na yan. I can't even wake up at 4 in the morning. Right? Tulog pa ako niyan. Anyways, yes, it's 8:41. Time to start our discussion. Before we do that, we want to thank our sponsors, 2Trade Asia. Check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. Meron po silang promotion ngayon na if you join their seminars, right, you can open their your account with 2Trade Asia for just 5,000. Normally 25,000 yung opening nila. So pag na-join ka sa seminar, mas mura ang opening mo. Also, they're a good broker. Ang bilis nilang platform nila. mobile app is very good for traders who for those planning traders who are on the go, lagi nasa labas. 2Trade Asia is a good option for you. So check them out to 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. Next up is eToro. Check out eToro, guys. Right? eToro is online platform for international market. Ang ganda ng eToro, pwede kayo mag-copy trade doon. Hanap lang kayo ng magaling na trader and they'll do the trade for you. You can copy people there, right? Kung gusto nyong yung ang dami kasi mga tao na hindi talaga makapag-trade. So, if you want to be able to invest and then may mag-handle ng pera mo, check out eToro. Use the link below to create an eToro account. That will help me in return. Creating an account is free, right? You can test out the platform lang muna. Testing nyo lang muna yung platform. If it's okay for you, then you can start depositing funds in it to copy other traders. Pag na-open kayo ng account, may virtual trade kayo na money for 100,000 USD. You can use that to practice the platform. Right, so let's start. Mislatel might go IPO. What are the implications for this? Yan yung una natin topic, right? So, we'll talk about that. I'm gonna stop with BMO and then I'm gonna go down sa chat natin para makita ko yung mga comments about the discussion. Ayun, so Mislatel might go IPO. It's one of the requirements of the franchise, 'di ba? Dapat mag-ano sila sa congressional franchise. Dapat at least mabenta nila to the public ang stocks nila, right? Maging public entity sila. So si Mislatel hindi pa nakapag-IPO. So there's a big possibility to erase that loophole, mag-IPO si Mislatel. Now the concern is, Sir Lloyd, Mislatel mag-IPO. Kung mag-IPO si Mislatel, doon na lang ako kay Mislatel kasi si Mislatel naman talaga yung third telco. Right? So, that's what we're gonna be clearing about. Right? Maganda ba na pumasok, ontayin ko lang si Mislatel para mag-IPO. Remember, ganito. Here's the idea. Sino ba ang you know how franchises works, di ba? If for example, nag-franchise ka ng, this is not really the same franchise but the thought of it, di ba? For example, nag-franchise ka ng, let's say, Potato Corner, right? Alam niyo yung Potato Corner na franchise. Isa yan sa pinakasikat na franchise, diba? So, Potato Corner or kahit si Jollibee, diba? Whenever Jollibee or Potato Corner makes sale, kanino ba napupunta yung pera? Sa tawag dyan, nag-put up ng capital or kay Potato Corner na franchise owner? Diba? Ang sagot niyan, sa nag-put up ng pera. If ever mayroon ako nag-franchise ako ng Jollibee, gagawa ako ng Jollibee na franchise ko. Meron akong Jollibee na branch, which is I hope in soon meron ako. Yan, if nangyari yan, kung may nabenta akong burger, ang pera ng burger na nabenta ko goes to me. Ako ang kikita niyan. What goes to the franchise owner? I am just gonna be paying them royalty fees. Yet, kasi yung franchise, if you wanna check out the franchise, what they call this, the congressional franchise, pwede nilang, let me open that. Pero parang meron akong nabuksan na ganyan. Right? This is one right here. So, I wanna zoom in. Right. Yeah. So, the franchise can be, pwede siya ibenta, pwede siyang i-lease, parentahan, it can be transferred. Diba? So, I haven't checked ano ang deal ni Udena kay Mislatel about the franchise. So, but most probably, they're gonna be leasing it. Right? Magre-renta lang sila to be able to use the franchise para makapag-operate sila. So, if they're just gonna be leasing it, magbibigay sila ng pera ni Mislatel. It can be a percentage, pwede yung percentage ng overall kita nila or may fixed amount na bibigyan nila kay Mislatel. But the sales of the sales of the third telco is not gonna go to Mislatel. So, napakaliit lang ng pera na pupunta most probably kay Mislatel. If you know about this, anong gagawin nila Udena to Mislatel? Ano yung deal nila? Is it leasing? Is it transferring? Is it a sale? Please post it in the comments kung alam niyo, right? But yeah, yung pera na mapupunta sa third telco is not gonna go to Mislatel. So, it's not wise to go to Mislatel. Kasi ang nag-put up ng kapital, sino? Si Udena, CLC, and Chinatel. Right? So, let's go to that point now. So, clear na yan. Hindi kahit mag-IPO si Mislatel, yes, pwede kayo maglagay ng pera kay Mislatel kasi maganda naman talaga. Baka in the future may development. But overall, sa third telco, pampapasukin ninyo, kung if it's the third telco, maliit lang pera mapupunta sa kanila. They are the least of the three. Right? Now, we go to that point ngayon. Si ISM, si CLC, sino sa dalawa ang pipiliin? Right? Si ISM, when I say ISM, that's Udena. Of course, it's already Udena. It's already approved by their board. Okay na yung changes. It's just that formalities na lang with SEC na approval ang wala pa. So if we talk about ISM, we talk about Udena. But of course, there's that uncertainty. Ang daming yan una natin topic. Baka daw hindi ituloy ni Udena na bilhin si ISM. Right? Yun yung sabi nila. Baka. Right? Ang daming conspiracy theorists kaya natatakot sila. They're uncertain about ISM. So, yun. Wala namang official news about dyan na hindi itutuloy, right? These are just speculations. People are just making this up. Walang official news about that. Ang official news na nakikita natin is matutuloy yan, right? Tuloy yan kay ISM kasi binili na right? They're already buying it. Signed na yung contract. December 18 lang yung swapping lang talaga. But it's already been approved. Andun na yun. It's already been nagkapirmahan na yan. Kulang na lang is ang pag-swap na lang talaga ng stock. So, definitely, ISM is already Udena. Right now, if you are afraid of it still, if you're still affected with that conspiracy, ang mga tao gusto nilang lumipat kay CLC, right? Pwede naman yan. If you want to be really, really sure of your position, pwede nyo ilipat kay CLC. Aakyat din naman yung CLC. Sasama nyo naman yan But the reason why I've been recommending ISM is not just because Udena is the biggest part of the third telco, but Udena as a whole is very big, right? Kung magkaloko-loko man yung third telco na yan, Udena will still stand as a company itself. Right? Ang laki ng projects ni Udena, right? Sabi ko sa inyo, bonus lang yung third telco speculation na yan. And ayun nga, 'di ba? Naging third telco nga sila. So it's a bonus right there. So, ngayon si CLC, umaakit si CLC just because of the third telco. Si Udena, third telco plus yung projects niya. And then Clark, and then the current companies under Udena, di ba? So, mas malaki pa rin si Udena. So, I am betting more on ISM because it's gonna be Udena already. That's why nasa ISM ako pasok. Right? So, situation ngayon, if you're not sure of that, iba-iba naman kasi tayo talaga ng, what do you call this? Iba-iba tayo ng tolerance when it comes to speculation. Me, I could be strong, but others are shaky. Pwede nyo gawin is kalahati sa ISM, kalahati sa CLC. Anyways, akit naman yung dalawang yan. If you're really afraid, you can do that. But I am a risky type of player where there's more risk, there's more gains. So I'm putting it in ISM. Right? If ever may mangyari man na pangit, then I'm just gonna transfer my money to CLC if I need to, diba? If ever may mangyari. So doesn't really matter that much, right? Yun. So, yun yung pangalawang concern about ISM, CLC, sino ba pipiliin? If you're really afraid, just divide your stocks to the both of them. Akit naman yan parehas, diba? So, that's a much more safer approach. I'm a riskier player and I understand my risk, right? The thing is, I understand my risk, right? I am holding on to it because of my tolerance of the risk. And somehow, I'm still winning because of that. Iba-iba tayo, right? Before I go to the next issue, yung anong strategy, next topic natin, anong strategy, we'll be refreshing on the strategy. I'm gonna go to the comments muna, right? Gumagawa siguro ng mga telco duopoly para mahirapan ang third telco. It's up to them. Pwede lang gawin yan. Sir, there is a disclosure about ISM that Dennis Oy is the major stockholder and they pivot their business into a holdings company. Yes, that is true. You can check out ISM's disclosures. Andun na rin yung pag-change nila ng pangalan. Right? It's already been approved by their board. Leandro Villas, imposibleng hindi matuloy dahil hindi naman magpapalugi si Dennis Oy. Totoo yan. Alcam, hindi po ba pwedeng backdoor through Udena? Backdoor naman talaga ng ISM si Udena. Yan yung pinirmahan nila. Babagsak daw si ISM, yun ang chismis ko, sir. Right? No one can predict the future. If it goes down, then I'm just gonna be buying more. Right? Cass, good morning po. PNB, AG po, right, we'll talk about that in a while. Ang liit naman ng volume kahapon bakit bumagsak, right, we'll talk about that. Sir Lloyd, ano po ba yung nag-chat sa Discord? Maraming salamat po. Ano po yung nag-chat sa'yo sa Discord? Ako po yun. Hindi ko nabasa yung K, kala ko N. Right, Weng, Salde, sir, thanks po for all the help. Dati po, hirap akong gumising to work. Ngayon, excited to wake up. Mag-daily grind. Part ka na ng araw namin. More power to you. Thank you so much. Ederlyn Osino, good morning from Kuwait. Sir Lloyd, everyday ko inabangan live mo. Salamat sa mga tips mo. God bless you po. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Don't cut loss sa ISM from Pinoy Respiratory Therapist. Don't cut loss kay ISM. Tataas at tataas naman yung presyo niyan. Buy on dips and hold. Right? Bambi Hernandez, good morning po Sir Lloyd. Saan po ang seminar? What time and how much po? Need it badly po. Ipit na ipit ako kay now. Thank you po. The seminar is online, right? All you need to have is Facebook kasi sa Facebook yan. Right? Just send me a message sa Facebook so I can send you the details. Right, Green Sir, not idea to cut loss ISM, lalo kang malulugi, right? So those are the points of the people. Good choice, Sir Lord. Long term kasi ako, Erika Liwag, Leandro Villas, pag naging Udena na si ISM, makakandarapang bumalik ang umalis. Hi, Sir. Hi, Marvin Agsiha. Good choice, Sir Lloyd. Sir, magkano naman mararating na ISM in the future? We can't really tell, right? Hindi naman tayo manghuhula on magkano mararating niya. It's just that I know the stock is gonna be very good. Gumagawa siguro mga telco ng duopoly. Sino kay backdoor ni Mislatel? Sino kay backdoor ni Mislatel? Doesn't matter kung sino magba-backdoor ba si Mislatel or mag-IPO. Because you're just the franchise holder. Hindi naman sila yung consortium talaga. Bibigyan lang sila ng pera. Okay, baka bigyan lang percentage si Mislatel for overall gains, di ba? Hindi natin alam. I haven't reviewed kung ano yung deal nila with Mislatel. Is it for rent lang or percentage ng earnings ibibigay nila kay Mislatel? We can't really say, right? But what I can tell you is napaka non-factor ni Mislatel kahit mag-IPO yan. Maliit lang ng overall earnings na pupunta kay Mislatel. Sa December po ba? Yes, December 18 daw yung Flogo, what do you mean by this sa December po ba? Right, pwede pong pasilip si House. We'll write that down. Tingnan natin yan mamaya. Right, so sir, I mean, instead of IPO si Mislatel, why not backdoor? Pwede naman. But the thing is, that doesn't matter. Kahit lumabas siya sa PSE, right? It doesn't really matter because the consortium of the third telco, napakaliit lang ng factor nila. Napakaliit lang na mapupunta sa kanila. So, you really don't have to consider them if gusto nyo ang third telco. Right? Sir, what can you advise sa mga mataas ang average? So, now, we'll go to that topic. Nabasa naman natin lahat ng comments. Marvin Axiha, how could I follow you in Facebook, sir? Just look for Financial Freedom 101 sa Facebook. Yan, may pogi dyan na picture. Ako yan. Just click on like and mafollow nyo. Can also join the Billionaires Club group. I am managing that group. Right, it's a very healthy group. Right, as much as possible, walang magbabash dyan. I'm trying my best to really make the community healthy for everyone, especially sa newbies. Yun yung target natin tinutulungan, ang mga newbies, right? So, I'm trying to make it and doing my best to make it healthy for the newbies. Right, so, ngayon, refresher ng strategy kay ISM kasi iba-iba ang situation. Number one situation is, what if investor ka at nasa baba ka nakapasok like me, ano ang ginagawa ko? Number two situation is, what if nakapasok ka sir sa around 7 to 8 pesos and then natatakot na ako sa position? Right, we'll talk about that. Also, yung mga mataas ang pasok tapos wala nang pera pang buy, anong pwedeng gawin? Right, yeah, so yan. Maraming situation eh. So now, I'm gonna talk about my situation. Kaya sa chatroom relax lang ako. Number one is nakapag-average ako na nasa mababa. Right? Napakababa ng average ko. Kasi noon ko pa yan nire-recommend si ISM. Kaya ang mura ng average ko kay ISM. So, yan. Ako, I can choose to be trading it, but I'm not trading it, right? I am an investor. So, nasa baba ako. What I'm doing right now is nag-iipon ako ng pera kahit pa anong gawin ng mga tao as of the moment kasi this is speculative period, right? I'm just saving up money, right? I'm not selling my position because I want to help ISM. Also, gusto ko umakyat si ISM kaya hindi ako nagbebenta kasi I'm an investor. Right, I'm protecting it. Hindi naman ako, I'm not really greedy of the income right now. So, hinahold ko lang muna. If it goes down, then by next month, may pera na naman ako. Dadagdag ko sa buying power ko. If it goes down, I'm just gonna be buying more. That's my strategy. So, kahit bumagsak yan, wala akong pakialam. I have the option to sell half of my positions. I can do that, but I want to help out as ISM. Hindi naman ako greedy ngayon sa earnings. Hindi ako I'm not really after the short-term earnings right now. So, I'm not selling it. But you have the option, if ganun din ang position niyo, you have the option to sell half, especially na nahihirapan siya mag-break ng resistance. Right? You can sell half. Right? Bakit hindi mo ibebenta lahat? Because anytime soon, it can bounce. Hindi mo alam. Kahapon, kahit na nag-panic selling, look at the chart of ISM. ISM. Right? Look at the chart of ISM. Right? Kahit nag-panic selling kahapon, how much it still has a very solid support right here. Right? Dito yung bounce area niya. So, even with the panic selling, we didn't still even touch the support. So, it's still good. Right? It's still consolidating. May nagtatanong sa akin, Sir Lloyd, downtrend na po ba si ISM? It's not. Because it's still consolidating as of the moment. Ito yung sinasabi ko. There are two market reactions on a solid uptrend. Tanggalin ko lang si Bollinger Band. Right? So here, this is an exaggerated movement right here. Exaggerated yan kasi not normal yung galaw niyan eh, diba? This is because of the news of the third telco. Right? This is 170 in just how many days? That's an exaggerated movement. Grabe yung galaw na yan. Now, when there is exaggerated movement, there are two reactions of the market for it to resume its original uptrend. Right? It's either magpo-pull back siya, for example, let's open Bollinger Band. So, it's either you can use the MA20 as your uptrend line. This yellow line should be your uptrend line. It's either mag-pull back siya back to its MA20 because I always watch it at MA20, especially for strong uptrend stocks. Right? Iniintay ko sa MA20. It's either dumiretso siya sa MA20, mas mabilis yon na way to meet the MA20. Right? Hindi ko sinasabing MA20 lagi, but that's where I usually wait for it. So, it's either gonna pull back, babagsak, and goes to MA20 fast. Right? Or, ganito na waiting game, it's either it's gonna wait for the MA20 na umakyat dito and meet the MA20 and then dito pa yan lumipad si ISM. So, that's called a consolidation. This movement is called a correction. This is the pullback. Mas mabilis siya na correction to resume its original uptrend or it's either gonna consolidate. This is called consolidation. Mag-sideways siya until it meets MA20 before it rises up again bago siya lumipad again. Right? So, those are the two market reactions. And somehow, I'm seeing only a consolidation for now. If it's gonna pull back, magpo-pull back yan, malapit na siya sa MA20. So, malapit ako mag-buy more. Right? You have to expect these two. It's either it's gonna pull back or it's either gonna consolidate. So, during those time, alam ko naman anong ginagawa ko. I have a support right here. I can sell my positions here if ever babagsak siya, but I'm not selling it. Malapit na MA20 right? So, MA20 will reach around 6, 7, ganyan, kung mag-pull back man siya. But if it's gonna consolidate, waiting game lang, right? That's part of trading. It's either you wait or you can buy more sa baba. So, that's my position right now. So, second situation, ang mga tao, meron kasi mga nakapasok dito sa around 7.75 to 8 pesos. Yun yung mahirap. Diba, I told you, these are FOMO levels, right? FOMO levels itong area na ito. Let me just make a marker. Right, so this area right here, these are FOMO levels. FOMO levels meaning fear of missing out levels. Ito na yung mga gusto baka maiwan levels, diba? If you enter here, you enter as an investor. These are investor entries kasi ang investor walang pakialam kung mataas ba yan or mababa. Diba? Papasok lang at papasok yan. So, these are investor entries. Diba? Diniscuss natin to before. If you plan to get in these areas, you are going to be an investor. And then, so, ang gawin ninyo is wag mag-all in. I never recommend going all in. Right? Ilang araw ko na ito yung sinasabi, you just test buy. Why do you just test buy? For example, meron kang 100,000. Lagay mo lang dyan is around 30,000 to 50,000 if you want. Para, if ever it goes down, you still have money to buy at the very bottom. Pero bakit ka magta-test buy? Why would I want you to test buy? Because we don't know if this is gonna fly right away. Kasi yan, ganyan lang. If you enter here, as of the moment, we don't know where the market is going. It's either gonna go down, it's either gonna go up. So, better position on where panalo ka kahit anong mangyari sa market. So, if you enter here, if it goes up, panalo ka. If it goes down, okay lang. Kasi you can always average down pa rin naman. So, at least, flexible ang position mo. Ang mali ng mga tao is nag-all-in na sila dito sa taas. Right? So, mga nag-all-in dito sa taas, kung nag-all-in kayo, investor pa rin ang strategy ninyo. Dapat nag-iipon na kayo ng pera ngayon kasi you can buy more at the bottom. I don't recommend selling your position now kung nag-all-in kayo. Ito yung mga position sa mga nag-all-in. Right? Pag nag-all-in kayo dyan, yung 13th month nyo, ilagay nyo dito, right? If you want to average down, then you can do that. If you cannot do that, then just hold on to it, and then wala namang bad news really. So there's really no reason for it to really collapse, right? So wala pa namang bad news so far. So yun ang sinasabi ko. I have a lesson about this. What do you do if ipit ka sa stock? Pag bumaba man ito at maipit ka, if ever the reason is market sentiments lang, hindi na wala namang bad news, you buy more. Kung wala kang pera, you don't do anything. Right? Pabayaan mo na lang. So, that's your strategy here. My point is, I want you to be really sure, really be sure on what your purpose is in getting in this stock right now. Right? Kasi kung purpose niyo is in investing, and then in-expect niyo that there's a possibility of it going down, because that's the stock market. If it goes down, then that's okay. Right? In-expect na natin yan eh. If you're a trader, if you went in as a trader, you always expect for the worst. Right? The market can go down. If it goes down, then cut your losses. Simple as that. Huwag kayong matataranta. Let the market do what it is doing. Right? You can't control it. Kahit magpanik kayo dyan, wala kayong magagawa dyan. The best you can do is really plan ahead. If it goes down, okay lang. Kasi investor naman ako, I am still saving money to buy more. Wala namang bad news. So, buy more ang option ko if it goes down. If ever may bad news, then simply I lost. I'm just gonna cut it out. Pero wala namang bad news so far, right? So everything is still okay. Kahapon malaki ang selling, but tingnan nyo, nagsusustain naman. May nagtanong dito, pinapakalma mo pa ako sa ISM. Akyat ba si ISM? We don't really know. Ilan average mo, sir, kay ISM? My average is now around 5. I forgot magkano kasi ang dami kong accounts. But almost around 5 to 6 pesos yung average ko. Kaya kalma pa rin ako. And what I'm doing is I am trying to buy in volume. Gusto ko palakihin ang volume ko kay ISM. Kaya nag-iipon ako ngayon. Right, nag-ipon pa rin ako ng pera. That's what I am concerned about. Because by the time, siguro 5 to 10 years from now, kung maganda ang takbo ng telco na ito, ang laki ng ililipad nito. And I'm on a very good position. I'm looking at the long term. Hindi yung earnings ko ngayon ang tinitingnan ko. My concern is really to be able to buy in volume. Gusto ko malaki ang volume ko kay ISM. And this right now, 7 pesos, napakamura pa nito for if ever maganda talaga ang takbo ni Udena. Right? 900 plus viewers, 1,000 viewers. Thank you so much. Sir, yung viewer nasa resistance level na mag-breakout. Yeah, nakapag-breakout. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much for the support. And wag magpanic, ISM holders, be a professional trader investor. Ganito lang, guys. My real point really is please be sure of what your purpose is in getting in. If investor kayo, don't let the intraday action mess with your emotion. Right? Wag. Kasi pag investor naman kayo, pag bababayan, that's good. It's your opportunity to buy more. If you're an investor, think long term. Right? Don't concern yourself of the earnings. Yes, I know, yung earnings ko ngayon, may kinikita na ako, sayang naman. That's not my goal. My goal is for long term. I can always sell my position. But what if umakyat yan? Ang goal ko na magkaroon ako ng maraming position, wala na. Kasi binenta ko, di ba? I can be greedy and then, may earnings na ako, mag-sell half ako. That's an option. If I sell half, what if the stock goes up after that? I missed my opportunity to have many stocks. Kasi yun yung goal ko for the long term, to have big volume as early on as right now. So, kaya hindi ako nagbebenta. Right? So, that's my reason why I'm not selling. People can say, naging greedy si Sir Lloyd. He fell in love with the stock. Because that's not my goal. My goal really is to have volume, and then as much as possible, hindi ako magbebenta kasi paano pag lumipad yan? I lost my opportunity. Meron akong hawak na, for example, meron akong hawak na 200,000 stocks. Binenta kong kalahati, 100,000 na lang. Pag lumipad yan, wala na ako ng 100,000 stocks. Yes, I did gain, but for the short term, which is not my goal. Right? Hindi kasi short term ang goal ko. Right? I can trade it if I want to. I did that on day 1. But I realized na malaki ang potential ng stock nito, kaya tinigil ko ang tinigil ko ang magchupit-chupit ko, right? My goal now is to really gather volume, right? So I'm gonna go to the comments. The reason why, what are the reasons why market consolidates? This is a very good question from Lali. Why does the market consolidate? For example, let's check out Poopy. Right, mag-full screen lang ako, hindi ko na full screen pala. Right, so let's check out Poopy. For example, itong movement na ito ni Poopy right here. So overall, ang tinubo ni Poopy is from this point to this point. Right? 101%. That's the overall trend niya, 101%. And hindi naman pwede si Poopy na pumunta ng 101 pesos in an instant sa isang araw. It will take time for a move, for a stock to move towards that direction. So I'm gonna open Paint to illustrate this better. So for example, ito na yung kay Poopy, di ba? Umakyat si Poopy from this point to that point, right? That's the overall uptrend ng stock, right? But sometimes kasi ang stock will make exaggerated movements, like here, ganyan, gumalaw siya ng ganyan. After exaggerated movements, what the market does is it will maingay. It will try to go back to its original uptrend. After exaggerated movements, magpapahinga yan. It's either to, at this point in time, ito yung time natin, maybe ilang days siya umabot ng ganyan sa overall uptrend niya. Sometimes, nag-exaggerated, hindi siya pwedeng umakyat dyan kaagad. Right? Sometimes, it will do this, exaggerated movement. Ito yung uptrend niya dapat. But if it does this, it can pull back and go back to its original uptrend line. Right? That's the correction. It's either gonna pull back, mas mabalis ang pullback, or it's either gonna consolidate to that real uptrend line before resuming its uptrend ulit to reach that price. Right? So, dalawa ang pwedeng gawin ng isang stock to reach that to reach this point. After exaggerated moves, it can consolidate. This is the consolidate to resume its uptrend, or it's either gonna pull back. This is called the pullback, right? It's called the pullback, and then this is all on the thought that it takes time for a stock to move. Always put that in mind. It takes time for a stock to move. For example, si ISM, baka umabot yan ng, let's say, for example, 20 pesos lang, conservatively, baka umabot ng 20 pesos. But it will take time for ISM to reach 20 pesos. For example, kung 20 yung target niyang overall trend niya talaga, so, as time goes by, dahan-dahan niyang aabot sa 20. Pero hindi niya aabutin ang 20 in just how many days, kasi as unlike na ine-expect ng mga tao, right? It will take time for it to reach 20, but along the way there will be exaggerated movements. After those exaggerated movements, magpapahinga yung stock na yan. It's either gonna pull back and return to its original uptrend, or it's either it's gonna consolidate back to its original uptrend line. The stock always does that, right? It will take time for a stock to move. That's why it consolidates, right? Tandaan guys, ang magpapanik at magpapaubos ng pera nyo, kaya relax lang. Sir, ano yung MA20? MA20 from Tristan. MA20 is moving average 20. For example, this yellow line right here, this is, price niya is around, for example, ang price niya, tingnan natin, this line right here, right? This line right here, 2.43 ang linya niya. 2.43, 2.45 is the average of this candlestick and 20, moving average 20 candlestick closing prices, right? So it's the average of 20 days of worth of prices itong 2.43, right? So that's moving average 20. What are the reasons the market consolidates, Lala? And because the market takes time to move. That's why it consolidates or it does a pullback. Eugene Magrano, I have positive hypothesis na tataas yan. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Sabi nga nila, totoo yan. Sir, good morning. As for the intra po ba, how is it gap down po? Is it gap down po for intra? I can't really tell. Right now, tingnan natin mamaya. I'm gonna be opening my... Sige, open na ko yung Timson ko para makita natin yung projected price. Sino may mga projected price na dyan kay ISM? Can you please check it out? ISM's projected price. Pwede ba pakitignan ang projected price ni ISM? 7.70. So, 7.70 pa ang opening price ni ISM. So, it's still okay. I don't think this is gonna be a gap down. So, okay naman. Right, ISM. Right, baba ng opening Right, kano ba yung opening ni ISM nakikita niyo diyan? Hindi ko na open yung yung platform ko. Right, nag-floor price ng 3.87. Nag-floor price ng 3.87. Yung ISM like perfect replay ng Heaven February. Sir, gap down po ba ang ISM ngayon sa opening? It's somehow my Timson is not opening I'm trying to open it again. Right, yun. Right, so while it's opening, I'm gonna be checking out yun. Leandro, kay ganda, pag bumaba si ISM, 1,000 shares ang mabibili ko. Tama. Right, I'm waiting for ISM to drop down actually so I can buy more. Kasi yun yung goal ko. Right, my goal really is for the long term to gather as many stocks as I can right now for the long term. Iba-iba tayo ng goal. Others are trying to trade it. If you're trying to trade it, then make sure you know how to trade. Right, let's check out ISM. Naglo-loading pa. So, di pa lumalabas yung mga ayun. So, projected opening ni ISM is 7.70. So, may nag-floor na benta kanina, ang bababa ng benta nila. Let these guys sell, right? We have a selling at 3.87. We have a selling about 4.10. But meron naman tayong buying at 8.0, 8. Yan, mataas pa rin naman ang buying. So, the volume still healthy. Right? Opening price niya is 7.70 for ISM. That's still okay. Meron malaking buying at 7.74. So, overall, ISM is still okay. Huwag kayong magpanic. Hindi nagpapanic sell. Hindi nagsaselling ang mga tao. Right? So, it's okay. No problem with ISM. Ano opening ng projected price ni ISM? We're at 7.7. Mag-IPO, sir, si ISM. No need for ISM is already there. ISM is already in the stock exchange, so it doesn't have to IPO anymore. Right? If you mean si Udena mag-IPO ba to get into the PSE? No. Backdoor ang gagawin nila. They're gonna be taking over ISM. Kailangan po ba talaga magbasa, hindi maniwala sa chismis? Lol, sarap ng healthy pullback sa ISM. Actually, ganito lang yan. You don't really need chismis. Yung chat rooms na yan, it's there for guidance, especially for newbies. But the thing is, ang gusto kong i-guide talaga sa inyo is really plan your goal. What is your goal? Ako, ang goal ko is to gather as many stocks as I can early on. If it goes down, then I'm gonna be buying more. Hindi ako magbebenta kasi paano pag umakyat yan, pag benta ko, hindi nawala ako sa goal ko na mas marami sana ang stocks ko just because I wanted to quick earnings. Hindi kasi yun yung goal ko, di ba? Yun. 7.7 as for now. And Adel Tamano is live right now on Market Edge. Good morning, sir. Are you still keen on conservative price 20 pesos for ISM before FOO? Yes, I'm still keen on that. Especially pag natuloy talaga sila sa Udena, right? Actually, tuloy na people are just waiting for the formalities. So, if ever magiging third telco sila plus the projects of Udena, yeah, I am positive that it can go 20, right? Ano po kinalaman ng galaw ng market sa ISM with this Senate investigation? Nothing much really. Senate investigation are just speculating na baka daw may issue sa national security. About issue of national security, I am gonna let the expert answer in defense, diba? So, that won't really be an issue. Nag-cut loss ka, Sir Lord? No. I am going to be buying more on the bottom pag bumaba siya. I have both PXP and ISM. Okay, ang PXP bounce back ngayon. Ang daming ceiling bid. ISM, may flooring bid. Bahala sila. Si PXP naman, yes, maganda naman ang news kay PXP. Check it out today. Fenty Skid Rock, Sir, pag nakabili ka ba sa 785, pwede pa tayo mag-long term dyan, sir? Yes, pwede naman mag-long term. Wala namang problema dyan. Fenty Skid Rock, first, sir, nagsiling na ang viewers mo. Yes, 1,333. 1,033. Thank you so much. Sir, good AM. Ano po ba purpose po ng averaging down, sir? Averaging down. The purpose of averaging down is, what if mataas ang pagbili mo and bumaba ang stock? What you can do is buy more at the bottom, especially maganda naman ang stock. That way, you can average down. Mas maganda ang average mo, number one, is if it goes up, at least kumikita ka na kaagad. Kaysa naman, ang average mo is here. For example, yung average mo is here, 7.74. And then, bumaba ang stock dito, at hindi ka nag-average down, So, when it goes back up, natulog lang ang pera mo. Diba? So, dito ka pa lang nakapag-break even. But what if you average down? When it went down here and you bought here, yung average mo more or less dito na sa baba. So, while it's going up, you're already gaining. Right? You're already gaining while it's going up compared to doing nothing. This is the purpose of averaging down. Para pag akyat niya, kumikita ka na. Plus, again, my goal of being able to buy many stocks as much as I can early on. Diba? That's the purpose of averaging down. Gadora Vago, ang magbenta, mamamatay. Ha, just kidding. I'll buy more. Patience lang. Yes, patience lang. Watching from Mindanao, Michael Junio. Same here, sir. 3 to 5 years from now, kung talagang telco na siya, check na lang yung price history ng Globe Telecom para mapanatag ang loob nyo. Totoo yan, Mark Lester. Gorley, ang hirap kasi sa aming mga newbie nagbibilang kasi ng sisiyo na hindi pa nangingitlog yung manok. Yes, totoo yan, right? So, nagbibilang na. That's true, right? And also, goal setting. Ano ba talaga ang goal nyo? What's your purpose in getting in the stock? Sinasabi nyo, investor nga. Pat kayo natataranta sa movement ngayon, di ba? So, that's the thing, right? I'm an investor. I'm thinking long-term. So, yung long-term ang tinitingnan ko. Nikos Bernardino, sir, nahihirapan ako sa mga sasabihin ko kay ISM sa friends ko. Mga trader kasi sila, at least December sila mag-take profits, baka maipit pa sila. Patulong, Sir Lloyd. I am newbie here. Send me a message if you have any concern. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Watching from Riyadh. Sir, once naging Udena si ISM, diretso change na po din ba yung hawak natin ISM shares? Yes, definitely. Diretso na yan. It's already Udena right away. Is there any possible change to current price once it happens? Possible naman kasi yung iba nag-aantay lang na sure na talaga na movement. So yeah, it is there's a possibility pag natuloy yan, aakyat yan most probably. Joseph Gonzalez, projected price of ISM CLC please. ISM's projected price is now at 7.65, right? 7.65, mababa. So I'm an investor, so that's good. Nagpa-panic selling yung mga tao. I'll be buying more. Number 2, si CLC. Tingnan natin si CLC. 8.5 ang projected opening kay CLC. Right? So, I don't know what's wrong with people. If they want to sell it, the market will do what it wants. That's good news for me because I'm just gonna be buying more. Shout out kay Albarindo from Neil. Right? Geo Amba 77 opening. Sir Lloyd, blue chip in the making po ba ISM? SCLC, ganun din po ba? I can't really say if blue chip siya in the making. Hopefully soon, right? I can't really. I am, ganito kasi yan eh. Trade what you see, not what you think, right? If you think it's gonna be a blue chip, mali kayo, right? Always trade what you see lang. I always think na magiging maganda si ISM in the future, but I'm just gonna be trading what I see. Really, right? Shout out kay Nilo Sir Lloyd. Yan. Rock Gonzalez IPO means initial public offering. Yes, Rock Gonzaga IPO means initial public offering, meaning magpa-public na sila, 'di ba? Private yung companies. If you want your company to be part of stock market, you have to make it public. Yan, kaya IPO yung tawag dyan. Neil Hugilion, Master Guru ko pala in the making si Alba Barnido. Alright, Kim Kaser Pedraza, Sir, IRC po magandang magbodega Sir Lloyd. Yes, maganda naman si IRC. Rock Gonzaga, thanks. 7.70. CLC 8.5 ang opening price. ISM opening price is 7.63. So 7.63 ang opening price ni ISM. That's good, right? Sana pumasok agad yung buying power ko. Anytime soon, antayin ko lang bounce yan before I'm gonna be buying more. So it's 9:21, ang bilis ha. Ang taas na usapan natin. So I'm just gonna, pasensya na if hindi natin napag-usapan yung mga charts ninyo. Right? Because this is really the main concern of the people right now. Right? So Felipe Lobo, 2. Alright, Marlu 7.62. Okay sir, magbodega ng ABA. Sir, totoo po ba yung Developer Manila Reclamation Project? Yes. Kaya nga rin-recommend ko si ABA noon pa, right? Nakapagbodega na tayo kay ABA, medyo mataas na siya ngayon. Just keep buying on the dips. Change lang naman ang name at price, malamang si Udena. Di ba kapag investor ka, it's much better of a deal? Yes, totoo. Pag bumagsak ang presyo, if you're an investor in it, yeah, you can buy more. Right, sir? 765 na opening. It's already 7.6. So, don't worry about that. Right? Huwag kayong mag-problema dyan. Sir, yung viewers yun, nag-ceiling na. Right? So, yeah, yung picks ko today, right? Ito na lang muna ang i-cover ko kasi may oras pa naman tayo. I'm just gonna go to the picks ko ngayon. Tugs. Bakit si Tugs? Right, Tugs guys, we have a higher low. It's already near MA20. So that's your confirmation of an uptrend. So yan, Tugs. Pasukin nyo yan si Tugs. That's your entry point. Use MA20 as your support. DMW. DMW, napakamura ngayon. Very good price action. Right, we have an engulfing pattern. We have divergence RSI, yung divergence chuchu na sinasabi ko sa inyo, higher low na ang RSI natin, and then the price is going down. So this is a very good signal for DMW. Plus look at the support right there, support. So napakaganda na ngayon ni DMW. Ang daming signals na go na si DMW, so this is a good avenue to buy DMW. Next is GSMI. GSMI, good earnings lately, and then we have 2 candlesticks na green for GSMI. So GSMI is a buy for me. Right? Next is Ion. Si Ionix naman, good numbers. Right? We have divergence dito. Meron tayong divergence. We have an engulfing pattern and then stabilization right here on the support. So this can be a good support for Ion. So far, so good. Ang ganda ng divergence ni Ionix dito pataas, and support is going down. There we go. There's the divergence right there. So that's a bullish pattern. Ionix, pwede kayo mag buy, bet on that support right there for Ion. STR, si STR din. Right, si STR, ang ganda ng consolidation ni STR, right? So this is a very cheap area for STR already. Third quarter earnings very positive. I want you to test out the support of STR. Ang ganda ni STR ngayon. So STR, that's good right there. We have an engulfing pattern, and then we have a stabilization right there. So STR is good for me. Lastly, sa mga recommendations ko, si VLL. VLL, good earnings, right? 15 point, plus 15. It's gonna be, diniscuss natin yan kahapon. Isa si VLL na mga tanggap ng tulong ni President Xi. According to the insider, we can't really confirm that. But overall, VLL is a good company. This is a very good price for VLL right there. So this is already very good for VLL. Pwede nyo na pasukin yan. You can test this support if you want to get in VLL. So those are my recommendations for this week. Yung iba lumilipad na kasi, so hindi ko na what do you call this? Hindi ko na ma-recommend. Pedlan, explain po yung sir, yung engulfing. Please go to my Bollinger Band video. Search for Lloyd Bazaar and Bollinger Bands. Right. Vita po kaya, sir. Hi, Vita po. Hindi ko na, wala na tayong oras to really check out other stocks. Sir, okay po ba sa investing si PXP? Okay naman so far. Hope, especially, hindi. Ang problema kay PXP, speculative siya ngayon eh. Don't really want to recommend speculative, especially for newbies. So, medyo mataas na siya for speculation. Sir Lloyd, from 5 weeks to now, December 18, na kaya wait lang on top, palakas loob. Yes, antayin lang natin si ISM. Sir, how can you say stock is blue chip? Any criteria? Market cap, and especially yung how consistent the company is fundamentally. Right? Yun yung ano natin sa blue chip. We'll discuss more about that. Wala tayong oras. I'll explain to you how can you consider, paano kino-consider ng PSE ang isang blue chip, right? We'll have an episode of like that in the future. It's 9:25. Really sorry if napahaba yung usapan natin. Hindi ko na-cover yung mga requests ninyo. But then again, this is a very important matter kasi ang daming nagpapanik kay ISM. Opening price for ISM is at 7.6. So that's still good for me because I am an investor. Kung investor naman kayo, huwag kayong matakot, right? Mag-ipon at mag-ipon ng pera so that you can keep on buying more. Alright? Yung average ko pala is 5.13. So mga gustong malaman talaga average ko, I'm just gonna make a screenshot of it. Alright, ISM. Alright, this is my average price for ISM. Show it to you. Yan. So this is my average price of ISM. Market price ngayon 7.74. My average is 5.13. Kaka-average up. But yeah, still a very healthy position right now. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tingnan ko ano mangyari sa market ngayon. Let's see anong pwede natin pag-usapan bukas. But I hope you have learned a lot. As always, let's get rich together. Send me a message if you have any questions na hindi ko nasagot today, right? And then join the chat room. Maraming tutulong sa inyo doon. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Oh